discuss about dash cam. Before we are getting into dash cam, I want to say few things about this birth of telematics. Why the telematics came? Okay. See, in the logistics world, one important problem is visibility. Visibility means where my vehicle is. Okay, that's the first problem to be solved. So that's where the GPS came into picture, and we found the GPS device, share the location. This is the address, this is the place, it is there. Next thing they wanted is, the vehicle is there, whether it's moving or parked. If it's moving, what is the speed? If it is parked, how long it is parked? That's how the industry moving step by step. In this need, now what customer wants is, they want to see the live visuals of the vehicle. What is happening there? It is, is there a traffic jam? Is it really stuck into traffic? What is this my state of my goods inside? Is it safe? How, who are there in the driver's cabin? Is the drivers alone there? Or he is carrying some more passengers? So all this needs lead to this birth of dash cam. Okay. How this vehicle dash cam different from a CCTV? Obviously we just think of, why not we put a CCTV there? It's plenty is available, right? A regular CCTV used in shops or anything, it will not work in a truck or vehicle. Reason is, it's a completely different purpose. It's made for a different purpose. Okay, the vehicle is always under a heavy temperature. When vehicle is moving, the temperature of vehicle being 50 degrees or more than that. Okay, and then vibration of the vehicle, power source. Okay, usually the vehicle truck carries a 12 volt or 24 volt battery supply. Okay, so the regular CCTV cameras will not work there in that battery supply. That's how this vehicle dash cam came into picture. It's made differently, which is really suitable, which is only really suitable for this truck environment. Okay, so this technology, it is getting matured now. Now we are Vemosys, we are launching this new product, vehicle dash cams. We are giving 3 different dash cams. Okay, before I go into the details of the dash cam, is there any alternatives there apart from CCTV? Is there any alternate of live video visuals of the vehicle? Yes. 3 years back, a company called Skybox launched a satellite-based live HD video recording. Okay, from the satellite, if you say identify some truck via the satellite, they capture the live visuals of the truck. They launch such a product. So that product is no longer available. Live satellite-based visuals. Okay, so now customers who wants a live visuals of the truck, of the road, has only one choice, using the dash cam, vehicle dash cam. Okay, so vehicle dash cam has plenty of usage. See, for instance, the truck, when it moves in the road, some accident happens. Most of the times, a fault on the smaller, fast-moving cars, bikes, even pedestrians, or some other reasons. But unfortunately, the truck driver takes the blame. He is taken for granted. That's how the situation is. So the dash cam will give the proof who is at fault. Now, with the dash cam, we can see the live visuals in your phone. Live visuals at any point of time. Thanks 4G network, we get the live feed. And we always get the video recordings. It is instantly moved to the cloud. So anytime you can see the past recordings in your phone. So in this dash cam, we are giving 3 different dash cams. One dash cam has 2 cameras. One is in the front, one is in the back. So a simultaneous recording of the road view and the cabin view. This is one model. Another model is one camera facing the road Another camera is a detachable portable camera, can be placed anywhere. I mean, even outside of the truck or inside the cargo section, you can place it. So you can see the live visuals of the cargo status or sideways also. Third model is, it comes with the ADAS. It's a live driver monitoring and alerting system. So when a driver closes his eyes for a second, I mean for a few seconds, the system immediately alerts him. Fatigue, or if he smokes, he's on the phone. For any event, configurable event, we can get alert, and this alert is sent to the instantly to the fleet operator also. Using the dash cam, we are taking this telematics to the next level and making the truck, freight, and drivers safety to next level. So this also helps in insurance claims, right? Unfortunate accidents, we know who is at fault. Most of times, drivers is not at fault. So it helps us saving lots of money. Some questions. Yes. The entire engineering aspect of the CCTV and dash cam is totally different. The installation, the dash cam is purely conceived, thought to fit into a truck or a car. But CCTV is made to fit into a static installation. It is not moving, non-vibrating, a static thing. CCTV is wired. Most of the times it's wired. Okay, it directly connected to a computer. So there's no need for live video transmission within the part of the CCTV setup. But dash cams inherently comes with a SIM card. So we can get the live visuals remotely. We're trying to put a CCTV within the truck using some Wi-Fi dongle or something. It's not a foolproof solution. It's subject to failure. Today it may be a bit cheaper than dash cam, but it won't help you. When you need it, it won't be available. Okay. When a vehicle is parked, there will be live visuals will be sent to the back end or to the mobile where we can see the dash cam visuals. Okay, but it won't be stored. The storing of the video happens only when ignition is on. But there's a catch. Suppose a vehicle is parked, ignition is off. Somebody breaks the window, windshield, or anything. Some sabotage happens. That time it will be captured. So it's called event capturing. Some event it will capture. Even though it is parked, it is not actually stored, but that moment of video, some 30 seconds or 1 minute or 30 seconds will be stored and it will be sent to the backend immediately. Backend sense to your mobile. Yes. The dash cam we supply comes with the high quality GPS, built-in GPS. So it serves as a GPS device also. So you can get rid of existing GPS device. This single dash cam will serve you both the purpose. Live GPS location tracking as well as visuals, live video visuals. Yes, we are working on a model where we are coming with one IO port, RS-232 or 485 port, via which the dash can be connected to the fuel sensor. Even we are working on one more model where the dash can be connected to the CAN bus, so that this single dash cam will be a combo. We can handle all the needs of a fleet operator: fuel monitoring, CAN, GPS, live visuals, everything will be available. Battery. Yes, good question. So it is connected to the vehicle battery. So it is safe. So this is the main difference between the CCTV and dash cam. So CCTV connectors are different. It is not meant for trucks. So we have to put some adapters to get from the battery, vehicle battery. We have personally seen it is failing. It is not working in a truck environment. So this dash cams are purely made for the truck need. So this will long last. Yes, the external camera is waterproof. That's a very good question. So poor network coverage doesn't affect the dash cam. Every video is recorded. When the network comes, it's uploaded. So when vehicle is in movement, ignition is on, 100% video capture will be there.
Need any memory card?
Yes, it's a nice question because there's one more important feature is there. There's a built-in memory card slot is there where I put this memory card. Okay, in the memory card, HD videos are stored, high definition videos are stored. The whatever video we sending to the back end, it is not a HD video. But even this itself, it takes 500 MB. Actually, for 1 hour video, it consumes 500 MB of data. Okay. So in the built-in memory slot, there we store all HD videos. Those videos can be downloaded to the mobile app. See, driving is a tough job. Truck driving is a very tough job. Okay. Sometimes, since I am the driver's seat, I may think I know everything. I take it for granted. So I may be driving off sleep. Okay. It is better somebody come and say, boss, it's wrong. And then I may be driving, rash driving, negligent driving, like cutting the lanes, like that. This ADAS will say lane crossing. It will warn me instantly if whatever the mistakes I am doing. Somebody is helping me, make me conscious. No, I should not be doing that. So this ADAS will help us. So, okay, thanks for your questions. It's really wonderful questions being asked. I enjoyed the session. Thanks everyone.